Progress is impossible without change. The society often condemns the people who wish to initiate change, but the truth is that these are the people who actually lead the world. We all have got powerful potential, and we must have the courage to make our future better than our past. After all, the only way to do great things is to think better, be better, and do better. Ladies and gentlemen, with this profound thought, we welcome you to the closing ceremony of Envisage 20, a grand event that celebrates the completion of 50 glorious years of Montfort School, New Delhi.
The golden jubilee of any school is its milestone of success. It is indeed a moment of pride for all the members of the Montfort family. The school that taught us the values of life, the place that made us perfect, the stage that gave us a platform to soar our ability is celebrating its golden jubilee. On this 50th anniversary of our school, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the members of the Montfortian family. We believe in Montfort and we believe in our legacy. The Montfortian mission is to help the young develop into upright individuals. The success of any institution is determined by the impact it has on young minds. The greatest accomplishment of the school is to see its students not only write the road of success, but also exercise profound wisdom in their actions, maintain clarity of thought, and feel a deep seated urge to change the world. And to celebrate this success and prosperity, we bring forth a glorious event, Envisage 20.
Prayer is a beautiful yet vital communication tool that not only brings us closer to our Father in heaven, but also fills us with the power to overcome the temptations of this world. Prayer is the utterance from our spirit to God. In simple terms, conversing with the Almighty is the very meaning of prayer. It is coming to Him and opening our hearts. So let's glorify the Almighty through a graceful and spiritual prayer dance.
नमो नारसिंहाय नमो नारसिंहाय नमो नारसिंहाय धिमि तां तां धिमि 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 तकिट धिमि धीं धीं धण्ड 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 तकिट धिमि तां तां धिमि 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 तकिट धिमि धीं धीं धण्ड 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 तकिट तद्धरे तद्धण्ड तज्जुण्णु तद्धिमि धण्ड धण्ड जुण्णु धिमि धिमि तकिट धीं धीं तद्धरे तद्धण्ड तज्जुण्णु तद्धिमि धण्ड धण्ड जुण्णु धिमि धिमि तकिट धीं धीं ॐ नारसिंहाय उग्रसिंहाय दम्भोलितीक्ष्णनख दिव्यसिंहाय उग्राय वीराय वज्रदंष्ट्राय ज्वालामालिने ज्वलन्मुखाय ॐ नारसिंहाय उग्रसिंहाय दम्भूलितीक्ष्णनखदिव्यसिंहाय उग्राय वीराय वज्रदंष्ट्राय ज्वालामालिने ज्वलन्मुखाय तडिकुढिं ढिं कुकुतडिं ढिं कुतत्त धृगतत् धण्ड झुडु ढिडि कुकुतडिं ढिं तडिकुढिं ढिं कुकुतडिं ढिं कुतत्त धृगतत् धण्ड झुडु ढिडि कुकुतडिं ढिं तद्धित्तधित्तकधित्तार्यधित्थिन् तकधित्तधित्तितकतकतार्यधित्थिन् तद्धितधित्तितकधित्तार्यधित्थिन् तकधित्तधित्तितकतकतार्यधित्थिन् महादंष्ट्रायुधा महाज्वालाय भैरवाढम्बर विश्वम्भराय घोरविक्रमदैत्यदानवाभञ्जन क्रूर हिरण्यकशिपुध्वंसकाय महादंष्ट्रायुधा महाज्वालाय भैरवाढम्बरा विश्वम्भराय हंसकाय आनं तनं तरितनं तरितकिटतुं तो धिम्मि धिमि तकिटतुं तुं ततुं तुं आनं तनं तरितनं तरितकिटतुं तो धिम्मि धिमि तकिटतुं तुं ततुं तुं धनि तकिट धन तकिट चुनु तकिट धिमि तकिट तद्धिंगिणतुं 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 तरि तकिट धन तकिट चुनु तकिट धिमि तकिट तद्धिंगिणतुं 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 अघोराय विजयनारसिंहाय सच्चिदानन्द योगा नृसिंहाय प्रह्लादपालक श्रीनारसिंह वेद्याय वेधसे पुरुषोत्तमाय अघोराय विजयनारसिंहाय सच्चिदानन्दयोगानृसिंहाय प्रह्लादपालक श्रीनारसिंह वेद्याय वेधसे पुरुषोत्तमाय धृगड तद्धरि धृगड तद्धण्ड धृगड तज्जुण्णु धृगड तद्धिमि तरित धड झुण्णु धिमि तकिट धिम 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 धृगड तद्धरि धृगड तद्धण्ड धृगड तज्जुण्णु धृगड तद्धिमि तरित धड झुण्णु धिमि तकिट धिम 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 तां तकिट धिम तकिट तुं तकिट नं तकिट तद्धिंगिणतुं 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 तां धरिगिट तगधिं धरिगिट तगतुं धरिगिट तगनं धरिगिट तगतद्धिंगिणतुं तद्धिंगिणतुं तद्धिंगिणतुं लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागत वत्सल शान्तरूप लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागत वत्सल शान्तरूप
लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागत वत्सल शान्तरूप लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भक्त परिपालक शरणागत वत्सल शान्तरूप नारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते 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 नारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते
Thank you, delightful dancers, for adding a spiritual glow to the program. Thank you.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They are not fond of rules and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. With this vision and an uncompromising commitment to upkeep the eminence of Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel, Montfort School Ashok Vihar brought to you Envisage 20. Today's young generation has submitted unrelenting devotion to the noble pursuits of innovation and imagination. Their remarkable ideas have immense potential to change the old notions of the world and lead it to a better future. Envisage 20 intended to provide a stage of opportunity to the phenomenal talents of our country's youth.
Today, Envisage 20 feels proud to confess that it has succeeded in imparting its vision. The event owes its grand success to the persistent diligence, skillful management, and the magnificent ideas of the students and the teachers of the core team, Bhumika Ma'am, Rita Ma'am, Akash Naran, Dishti Malik, Rishi Pasricha, and Satvik Kapoor. Dear team, your hard work has paid off to a monumental success. We are extremely grateful to all the participants who competed with immense enthusiasm and zeal, thereby succeeding in promoting our vision to elevate their thinking to the next level.
Now, we would like to take you behind the scenes to showcase the hard work that made this event a huge success.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do.
बाजे मुरलिया बाजे बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे होठ पे माया बिराजे बाजे मुरलिया बाजे बाजे रे मुरलिया बाजे.
Now arrives the moment we all have been patiently waiting for. Our school is proud to announce that a total of 28 schools all over India have participated in our event Envisage 20, with a total of 150 plus students. Now it is time to announce the results for each event. We move on to the first event.
Hack Montfort, a hackathon that gives students an opportunity to present their entrepreneurial ideas by integrating them with technology. The judges of this event were Mr. Vivek Sharma, who works as Senior Software Engineer at Pure Software Private Limited, and Sir John Mondor, who is a Technical Supervisor at Laptop Hub. Let us all sit back for the result of this innovative event. The first position has been backed by St. Montfort School, Bhopal. The participants were Anune Jain, Manan Upadhyay, Mohit Mamtani, and Ishan Mathur. Montfort Inter College, Lucknow are the runner-ups. The participants were Yashovendra Rastogi, Milit Arya, and Manas Verma.
Contrive. Contrive, a competition that targets the design thinking of participants towards applications in digital marketing. This event was under the judgment of Sir Vivek Sharma and John Mondole. The results of this brainstorming event are: the first position has been secured by Prisha Yadav from Presentation Convent, Delhi. The second position has been secured by Yash Gupta from Montfort Inter College, Lucknow. The third position has been backed by Kritin Ahuja from Maxford School, Delhi.
The third competition in the event was Think Startup. Think Startup, a platform which allows participants to present their business ideas in a convincing manner. The event was judged by our Montfort alumni, Ms. Samiksha Jain, who is a research associate at Evidence for Policy Design India, and Parul Jain, who works as a practice director at Everest Group, a US-based boutique management consulting firm. We now come to the result of this entrepreneurial competition. The first position has been backed by Presentation Convent Senior Secondary School. The participants were Rashmi Banka, Gauravi Sharma, and Bhavika Arora. The second position was backed by Montfort Inter College. The participants were Sachin, Harshit Mehta, and Yash Gupta. Holy Child Senior Secondary School is the second runner-up. The participants were Taleen Kaur and Navneet Zandu.
Then in line was Kissa Goi. Kissa Goi was a Hindi storytelling competition which aims to bring out the unbound imagination of young storytellers. This competition was judged by Ms. Sudipti and Sir Sandeep Shajhar. They are inspiring artists who have written a bunch of books and poems with years of experience and hard work. We are proud to announce that the first position has been secured by our very own student Kunal Verma. However, since we laid the rule that a school won't compete for prizes, the revised results are as follows. The first position has been backed by Saideep Keshri from APJ School Pitampura. The second position has been secured by Prakshi Rana from St. Xavier School. And the third position has been backed by Agni Jharia from Montfort School, Bhopal.
Expressions, an English group discussion that wants the participants to debate over the crucial issues existing in the modern day society. This event was supervised by honorable judges Ms. Deepika Saini, who is trained by British Council for Spoken English Improvement and Communication Skills of Non-Native Speakers, and Ms. Annie Thomas, who has years of experience in a teaching and professional career. The award for the best speaker goes to Madhav Agarwal from Modern School, Shalimar Bagh. The second position has been bagged by Vijayata from Kulaji Hansraj Model School. And on the third, we have Abhyuday Agarwal from St. Columbia School.
We now have Dexterity, a painting competition that seeks to present the artistic side of you. This event was judged by Sir Tilak Raj, who works as a freelance artist, and Sir Roop Chand, who is the managing artist at Roop Chand Institute of Fine Arts. The results of this expressive competition are: the first position has been bagged by Deepthi Gatta from Montfort School, Bhopal. The second position was secured by Suhani Gupta from Maxford School, Delhi. And the third position is a tie between Ikansh Bhushan from St. Xavier's School and Jasnoor Kaur from Jaspal Kaur Public School.
We now have Symphony. Symphony, a competition that allows the musical minds to showcase their talent with some beautiful melodies. The judges of this event were Ms. Richa Sharma, who is classical vocalist, and Aman Verma, who is a guitarist with a performing experience of 10 years. We now move forward to the result of this event. In the Indian vocal category, the first position is bagged by Christy Peter of St. Xavier's, Delhi. The second position is bagged by Gurkirat Kaur of Holy Child Senior Secondary School. The third position is bagged by Manya Kaushal of St. Francis School. Juveria Marsood Ahmed of Modern Public School, Shalimar Bagh, gets the consolation prize. In the Western vocal category, the first position is bagged by Roshan Raju of St. Xavier School. The second position is bagged by Purnima Chavania of St. Xavier. The third position is bagged by Neo Joseph of St. Montfort School, Bhopal.
In the Indian instrumental category, the first position is bagged by Prabh Simar Singh Kohli of Maxford School, Rohini. The second position is secured by Stuti Bansal of APJ School, Pitampura. And the third position is bagged by Harsimar Preet Singh of Jaspal Kaur Public School, Shalimar Bagh. In the Western instrumental category, the first position is bagged by Path Sharma of St. Xavier School, Delhi. The second position is bagged by Dhruv Ghoshal of St. Columbus School. And the third position is bagged by Yash Srivastav of Montfort Inter College, Lucknow.
We now come to Step Up. Step Up, a dance competition that allows participants to showcase their talent and passion to beautiful rhythms. The Western dance performances were judged by Prateek Aneja, who is trained in various dance forms including jazz, contemporary and ballet, and Sir Vinamra Katyal, who has been trained in hip-hop and contemporary forms. For the Indian category, we had Ms. Suman Vini, who has done MPhil in Bharatanatyam with experience in all forms of folk dances. The second we had Dr. Richa Dua Chapla, who has completed her MA in Kathak and had performed in various events and fests. The results drawn from this event are: for the Western category, we are proud to announce that the first position has been secured by our own very student, Melissa Sorange. However, since we laid down the rules that our school won't compete for the prize, the revised results are as follows. The first position is backed by Vishali Gupta of St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Daulatpur. The second position is backed by Meher Sachdeva of Maxford School, Rohini. The third we have Assis Kaur from Jaspal Kaur Public School. In the Indian category, the first position is backed by Alina Mary Matthews of St. Xavier School, Rohini. The second position is backed by Anshika Gulati of Jaspal Kaur Public School. And on the third we have Purvi Tiwari of St. Montfort School, Bhopal.
Next competition in this event was Blue Hour. Blue Hour, a photography competition that wants the participants to present captures of their homes that are otherwise indescribable by words. This event was judged by Harshit Oswal and Meryl Anand Kejri, who have years of experience in as many as 5 national newspapers and magazines. The third judge of this event was Ayush Malhotra, who is an independent documentary and fashion photographer based in Delhi. The following are the results of this artistic event. The first position is secured by Vaishnavi Dharmadhikari of St. Francis Convent School. The second position is bagged by Swadha Sharma of St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Daulatpur. And the third position is bagged by Prashad Jagdhari of Montfort Inter College, Lucknow. We deem it a great honor to invite our respected brother principal to grace us with words of wisdom and propose the vote of thanks.
Dear Brother Vice Principal, Brother Gino, Senior Supervisor, Sir Diwan, Teacher Coordinators of Envisage 20, Principals of all other schools, teachers and dear participants, a very good afternoon to you all. Yes, we have come to the end of the Envisage 20, one of our Golden Jubilee initiatives. First of all, let me thank God for being with us all through the journey of this event and helping us to do the best. Education is a means of bringing about personal development and building relationship among individuals, groups, and nations. Its mission is to enable each one without exception to develop all his or her talents to the full and to realize their creative potential, including responsibility for his own life and achievement of their personal aims. With this aim, we have ventured this inter-school competition Envisage 20, where many schools participated, including schools from Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh. Let me extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to all the principals of the participating schools who have accepted our invitation and permitted the students to participate in this Envisage 20. Thank you, my dear principals. I know it was very difficult for the judges to do the judging online and offline and seeing various videos online screen. My sincere appreciation and heartfelt thanks to all the judges for helping with your valuable time and going through various programs minutely with your expertise. We are indebted to you all. Envisage 20 would not have been possible without the participation of the participants from various schools and the teachers who have prepared them to this extent. My sincere appreciation and thanks to all the participants and the teachers who prepared them so well. Dear students, winning is not important, but participation with the full heart and mind and doing the best which is important. You all have done that. Congratulations. Let me extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the organizing team comprising of the chief coordinators Mrs. Bhumika Arora and Mrs. Rita Sahu and all other individual program in charges, namely Manish sir, Abdul sir, Sunit Jojo, Meenakshi ma'am, Madhavi ma'am and Srishti ma'am for their excellent organization of this event. It's a known fact that if any work is entrusted to any of my staff, they will push it through and will make things happen. As soon as the responsibility was entrusted to them, they flung into action and began to correspond with all the schools and judges. They must have made several communications and planned, replanned again and again, and they made it so well. Congrats, my dear teachers. My heartfelt appreciation to all the student co-organizers, namely Kaustubh Jindal, Rakshit Batra, Satvik Kapoor, Drishti Malik, Krishi, Arjun Gupta, Vernika Jain, Akrish Narang and Vanya Agrawal. Well done, my dear students. Keep taking responsibilities and leadership. I don't know whether I have missed out someone. If so, with due apology, I would like to congratulate and thank all those people who are part of this event and who rendered their help. Once again, congratulations and thank you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to name the schools whose participants have delivered exceptional performances and have made their school proud with the Rolling Trophy and the Best School Awards. Let's sit back to hear the result from our Honorable Principal, Brother Thampi Alex.
Dear principals and participants, I am happy and privileged to announce the much awaited result of the overall performance of the schools. Let me once again congratulate and thank all the participating schools for their wonderful performance. Before announcing the awards for the schools, let me tell you that Montfort School Delhi has participated in all the events, but being host, we have not part of the competition but only was the participant. With this, let me announce the overall result of the Envisage 20. The third prize or the second runner-up of this Envisage 20 goes to Montfort Inter College, Lucknow. The first runner-up of Envisage 20 goes to St. Montfort School, Bhopal. And the overall champion of this Envisage 20 goes to St. Xavier's School, Rohini, Delhi. Congratulations to all the participants and all the winners. The trophies of these winners will be couriered to your schools within 15 days. Once again, thank you and see you all next year for Envisage 21.
With this, we officially announce the end of Envisage 20, wishing the future prosperity of all participating schools and students. We expect more enthusiasm and more participation next year in Envisage 21. We now present the Golden Jubilee Anthem of Montfort School with some glimpses of the inauguration ceremony. Kindly be a part of it with us. Thank you for your valuable time, efforts, and patience.
The way